can't figure this out. I must still be missing a musical memory.
The fairy said there's 5 elements to unlock.
Yeah, that's right. So far we've had the musical alphabet.
And rhythm with the skeletons.
Those guys were silly.
And there was that dynamic vampire. See what I did there?
And then there was articulations with the ghost.
1, 2, 3, 4. That means there's only 1 left.
Oh man, this is a lot to remember. But I can't give up now. I'm so close. I forgot everything. I forgot what I was meant to do. I forgot about those notes and that instrument. It's like my memories just faded away. But I know I've got to get those memories back. I'm not giving up, not ever. I'm not giving up.
Mummy!
Oh, come on now. I know it's been a weird night, but Mommy's not here. Sheesh.
No! Mummy!
Hey, slow down there, champ.
Mommy!
Yes, I am positively mummified. I once was a royalty, you know. My history's been all but nullified, but I once put on a great show. If there's one thing I've learned from my many years earned, it is this. If you want to go fast, you must start slowly. You must control your tempo. Turtle speed is the way to go. Turtle speed, you must learn to go slow. Turtle speed, you must go slow. Turtle speed, once you learn to
speed helps me to play faster later.
You got it.
Yay! Did you hear that ring?
Yeah, that was the 5th one. You've unlocked all your musical memories now.
I have? I think I can do this again.
All right, show us.
Yeah, let's hear a tune.